Hey everyone, just wanted to let you know that you don't necessarily need to buy the exact same toilet valve that came with your toilet.
Guys, now I've just bought the flush valve for the toilet. Obviously it's not the same as the one what we have, but I've been told it should work. So let me have a look. So just to show you something, this looks massive when this is together. Now you wouldn't fold the disc part can come loose, but they actually do. I was about to fit it on the toilet lid and it was massive, just look at that. But you can actually undo this bit and use that instead. So what I mean by that is it's coming on here on the top of the toilet lid and slides in like that. There you go. Okay, this is obviously a sealer here, but not meant to be on there now. So that was the old one. This is now the new one. All of this just to replace the valve. Now, some time ago I did do a video where I replaced the seals, but this is completely different. Oh look, I've replaced the seal like those, but this was on the old valve. Now I'm just wondering if I can undo this thing here and just use this bit here for the toilet. The question is, will it fit? What I mean by that is, I'll show you. See this one here, completely different, and I can't find this toilet valve anywhere. So I need to come up with an idea of replacing that one. And if I maybe unscrew this one, undo it there on the bottom, because I changed the sealers first. But it seems like the whole thing here is just weird out. So I need to put in a new valve. Now I was thinking to use that bit there from the new one and just try to put it in here, but you see where the corners where they lock in, I'm not too sure if it will lock into the new one. Otherwise I have to drain the water and then undo the water tank, because of the new one, and I think it's probably with all of these valves, you have to remove the water tank to put a sealer underneath it for the toilet to, and then put it back together, screw it on, and then the valve is solid. It's probably a 30-minute, 45-minute job, but if you don't know how to do it, it's the first time you're doing it yourself, so yeah, it might take you an hour. We shall see, but keep on watching, we see how it goes. So from this to this. So I got this from a Screwfix, and I've been told that it should fit, and we shall see how it goes. And I'm repeating myself, I'm probably excited. So now to remove the water tank, there's 2 screws on here on each side to remove, and now it looks like right on the bottom there's 2 as well screws to remove. So what I found is this actually plastic nuts underneath the water tank there, so I didn't even need to touch it with a screwdriver inside. So let me see if I can move the tank out. I know there's still a bit of water in here, but hopefully I won't make too much. damage now. Okay, so just give me a second. Oh, that was close. Wow. So also remember to undo the see if I can turn it a bit easier. Yeah, to undo that water pipe nut up there before you pull up the water tank. As close as good, I check it before I do. Alright. Okay, so that has been done. Unscrewed. So also remember just to turn off the water by that valve there, and that screw to stop the water from coming out. So now we should be able to remove the water tank. Yeah, also maybe, I don't know if it's a good idea, but this nut, next time I'll tie it up too tight, because it's extremely hard to remove it, get it loose. Because basically there is not space underneath there to get anything in to undo it, so yeah. And there you go, the water tank is removed, and it's also now a good time to clean the underneath the tank. Yeah, so that's the tank, and let me keep going. Okay, so now we will undo this nut here. Quite honestly, I don't know if this is going to fit or work, because this one is much smaller than the other one before, but I provided a washer sealer with it. We shall see if that works. On top of it, there's extra one which goes over there. I don't know if it's gonna work. What a waste of time. Alright, so it seems like it's probably not a waste of time as far. This sealer here got this extra H, and that H goes into the water tank. So it looks like it will fit, let me see. Alright, so after that has been cleaned off, now we have a look at that. It looks like that sealer fits, not clean. And that's how it looks like that. So let me get a water tank back on. Oh, the sealer. Guess it goes on like that. Okay. See. Old one out, new one in. And that's how it's supposed to look like when it's done. So yep, it's working. Give it another go. To change this toilet valve, what tools you're gonna need is all these. All of these. Definitely. Yep, and make sure you have these as well. You're gonna need all of that just because of the water pipe underneath. Hold it up, to tie it up, to keep it all straight. So, yeah.
DIY toilet flush valve fixes leaking toilets and saves water. Hey everyone, just wanted to share that you don't necessarily need the exact same toilet valve that came with your toilet. You can actually use a universal flush valve. I know I was worried when I couldn't find the original one, but if you're unsure, don't worry, a universal one will work just fine. If this video helped you replace your toilet's flush valve, please consider subscribing to my channel to support it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Thank you for watching.